In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mark Netflix movies as unwatched. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, as you can see, I have here these videos that I watched, and there's quite a number of episodes of them that I've watched. However, I like to mark these as unwatched on this series. To do this, just head over to your account here and then choose account. From here, scroll down until you see edit settings, and under this, go to preferences and scroll down to viewing activity. Now you can see these are the episodes that I had watched, and I'd like to change this to unwatched. To do so, just head over to each episode. For instance, I just want to make episode 1 as unwatched. I'll just click on it. If you want to make the others as unwatched, you can just go ahead and click on this hide from viewing history, and they'll be removed from unwatched. Now I've marked from episode 1 to 4 as unwatched, and you're told within 24 hours, King the Land limited series episode 1 will no longer appear in the Netflix service as title you have watched and will no longer be used to make recommendations to you. So if I go back now to my Netflix homepage and then go to the series, here it is. If I click on this episodes information, you can see now episode 1 to episode 4 are now unwatched, just the way I wanted. So that's how you can mark episodes or movies as unwatched on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.